I'm Julie Giljam. I'm with Mosby Building Arts, and welcome to our bathroom. Today I would like to talk a little bit about some features for a handheld shower in your tub shower area. The first one I'd like to talk about is having it on a slide bar. So versus having a fixed shower head, being able to have a handheld on a slide bar. So you can lower it and raise it as you need it. If you don't feel like washing your hair that day, you can have it lowered so you're not getting your hair wet. If you want to have it taller for somebody that is, 6'8", it's nice to be able to raise it up and have it useful for them. Lower it for the kids when they come in to use that shower. Second feature is where that water supply comes out of for that handheld. We like to have the location of that supply elbow down a little bit lower than where a fixed shower head is. One really great tip is to have it there for useful cleaning of the corners of the tub area or that shower area that's opposite where the water supply is coming out at. It's really great. Typically when you're doing and lowering where that water is coming out, you usually have to replace kind of that wall in that shower. So it's really for a full gut tub shower remodel to be able to relocate where those water lines are at. Otherwise, there are some other options for you where doing a slide bar where you can have a longer shower hose will also help. Thank you for watching this video. I hope the information was helpful and you learned something new today. And we look forward to seeing you next time.
Hi, I'm Mark McClanahan. I'm the president of Mosby Building Arts. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and click the like button below. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section and we'll make sure to get an answer to you. For future videos, just go ahead and subscribe. And if you'd like to have a deeper conversation about your home, go ahead and click the link down there in the description area. We'll make sure to contact you. Thanks again for watching this video.